In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer an existing domain from Bluehost to Namecheap step by step. If you've ever wanted to move your domain to a more affordable registrar, or you just want to manage everything in one place, this tutorial will walk you through the full process in a simple and safe way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and web tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account using the email and password connected to your domain. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains. This is where you'll see all of the domains currently connected to your Bluehost account. Now find the specific domain you want to transfer. When you locate it, select the option that says Transfer or Move Domain. This is the area where Bluehost lets you prepare the domain for transfer out to another registrar. Before you can move the domain, you need to make sure it is unlocked. So look for domain lock and disable it. This step is very important because a locked domain cannot be transferred. If the lock is still on, the transfer will not go through. After that, click Request Auth's EPP code. Bluehost will generate an authorization code for your domain. This code is also sometimes called an EPP code or transfer code, and it is required by Namecheap to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the domain. Once the code appears, copy it carefully and keep it somewhere safe. You'll need to paste it into Namecheap in just a moment. Now open a new tab and log into your Namecheap account. After signing in, go to the top menu and choose Domains, then click Domain Transfer. This will take you to the transfer page where you can begin moving your domain into Namecheap. In the transfer box, enter the domain name you want to transfer. Make sure you type it correctly without any extra spaces or mistakes. Then click Transfer to continue. Namecheap will now ask you to review a few details before moving forward. One of the options you'll see is Domain Contact Information. Check this option so your contact details can be properly handled during the transfer process. Next, you'll need to enter the Auth/EPP code that you copied from Bluehost. Paste that code into the correct field, then click Verify Auth Code. Namecheap will check the code with Bluehost to make sure it matches and that the transfer is allowed. If everything is correct, you should see confirmation that the code has been successfully verified. Once the verification is complete, click Add to Cart. At this stage, Namecheap is preparing the transfer order, and you'll usually see the transfer listed as part of your checkout. Finally, complete the checkout and payment process to officially submit the transfer request. After payment, the transfer will begin processing, and in some cases, you may need to approve the transfer through an email confirmation depending on your domain settings and registrar rules. And that's it. You've now completed the main steps to transfer an existing domain from Bluehost to Namecheap. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and the key things to remember are unlocking the domain, requesting the EPP code, and verifying it properly during checkout. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.